Hello all, welcome back to Lubna Suraya channel. Today we are going to solve exercise problem 12.1 question number 6 of algebraic expressions. Now question number 6 tells you state whether a given pair of terms, so you have a pair of terms, a set of terms, and you have to identify whether it is a like term or it is an unlike term. Now what do you mean by like term? When they are in a very similar fashion or when they are in an identical fashion, it is called as like term. Unlike term meaning when they are different. For example, you have one set, say 1 as a number. The second set is say 100 as a number. Both are numbers. You don't have to bother about whether it's positive or negative or it's fraction or decimal. But anyway, both of them are numbers. So, it is called as like term. Or, the other case could be, you may have a variable attached to a number. The same variable will have to represent in the other term. Say for example, 1000x. Or you may have minus 0.3x. Now this, you don't have to worry because 1000 is a big number and minus 0.3 is a very meager number or a small number. Number is not a matter, plus or minus is not a matter. The matter lies in the fact that you have an attached variable as x in one term. The same variable is also represented in the second term. So this is your like variable. Now if I give an example, say I have 3.2 x or I may have 3.9 y. Now in one case I have x, in second case I have y. So both the variables are not same. So that is called as unlike term. Now let's get into the problem. The first question tells 1 and 100. Both of them are numbers, so it is called as like term, right? The second question tells minus 7x is one term, one pair of term, and 5 by 2x. Now I said one is in positive, one is in negative, one is a whole number, one is a fraction, don't have to worry. But you have x and x in both the terms, so again it is your like term. Alright. The third question is minus 29x and minus 29y. Now here again you have minus, you have a minus, no problem. Same number does not matter, even different number does not matter. The main point lies that you have x in one set and you have y in another set. Now both these are different, so this is called as unlike term. Alright. The fourth question, 14xy and 42yx. Now we know in general that x into y gives you xy, y into x gives you yx. Both are same. I'll give an example. 2 into 3 is actually giving you 6. Or 3 into 2 also gives you 6. So whether you take it as x as 2 and y as 3, or you take x as 3 and y as 2, both are same, giving you the output as 6. So a into b is same as b into a. Similarly, x into y is same as y into x. So this is your like term. Alright. Then the fifth question, 4m square p and 4mp square. Now the problem here is power comes with m, but here power goes with p, not with m. It does not lie here. Both are different. So it is unlike term. The last question, 12xz is one term. 12x square z square. Now x is different from x square. Alright, it's not the same because x square means you have x into x. You have 2x, but here you have only one x. So x to the power 2, z to the power 2 is different from x and z. So these are not the same. Again you will have unlike term. Alright. So if you have any doubts in this problem, you can pass it on the comment section. If you like it, please do share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.